dream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. The so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling out. It is Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's not your first time and you saw the last one, you guys, Barbie collection it's hitting different. I actually really like it. As you can see from the title, we will be reviewing the Ken version of the Barbie and NYX collection. I'm so excited about this one because I love the other one so much. And as much as I said, you know, in the last one, I was like, oh, it's about Barbie. Yeah, we don't care about Ken. It's about Barbie. We don't care about Ken. Ken's palette is kind of cute. Okay, so in comparison, this was the Barbie palette that we reviewed last time, and it came with the cute little pink butter gloss. Ken's palette, on the other hand, it comes with a clear gloss. Not actually in love with that. I mean, I love clear gloss, but I wanted some color too. But turn up the Ken-ergy, really? Look at how nice this palette is. This one is very, very cute. And I'm actually thinking with this one, we could probably do 2 eyeshadow looks, but I only want to do one today because I just only want to do one today. But of course, we will be seeing this palette again because, again, I love them so much. So because this is still the Barbie collection, we are still going to do a pink-ish kind of eyeshadow look, but naturally we will be using the green and the blue because it's there. So let's go ahead and go into this green one first. We're going to put that into the crease. I'm using just a flat shadow brush. I'm pretty sure this is a BH Cosmetics brush, but yeah, let's go ahead and go right into there. So again, NYX always delivers on pigment, so I'm not too concerned with that fact. I do believe that they're going to give us a lot of pigment. I have no idea where this look is going to go yet, so we are just going to see what happens. But this shadow right here is actually coming out pretty yellow. I'm not mad at that at all, but just to be noted, it is looking kind of yellow. But I mean, I feel like in the last few videos, whenever I go back to edit them, I'm like telling you guys, oh, this looks really blue, and then in my face it looks like very clearly purple. So I might be colorblind a little bit, so let's just, if you see something that's wrong, it probably is. Probably is wrong. Let me make it. So next, let's go into this pink one right here. I think we're gonna do like a strawberry lemonade type of deal situation right now. So let's go ahead and go in there. I want to try to use as many of these shades as I can. And again, this is the same brush. I just flipped it over. Because this is a matte, I think that it'll be fine doing it this way. I'm just going to pack it in with this brush and then go back and blend. But obviously we're going very colorful today. Getting some color going. You guys, what did you think about the new intro? I spent a lot of time like editing that, and I don't know where the idea even really came from. I was just like, I want to do something crazy. And I spent all night editing it, and I was like, this came out great. It's like, is it perfect? No, but it came out pretty cute. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna run with this. So this brush right here has like no product on it at all. So we're just gonna use that to blend this up so that there isn't that harsh line. But yeah, you guys, I feel like the more I edit, like the more fun I have with it. I really like to do it. So, I mean, there might be more crazy intros. Who knows, girl? Just depends on the day and my mood, I guess. So this actually looks pretty cute so far. It is looking a little wild, but it's okay because we know that we're gonna blend it and make it look good. So I'm thinking for like outer corner right here, we're gonna go into this purple. I feel like that would be like the easiest to blend here. So, you know, we wanna do the right thing for the palette. Make sure it looks good. Let's go ahead and go in there. This is I never remember the name of this brush, but it's just a regular blending brush that we're using. Don't know the brand. Yeah, let's go ahead and blend that. It's definitely giving like, it's definitely giving strawberry lemonade with a touch of grape at the end. While we're blending this out, I was, you know, me and my sister have been talking. We've been talking about ways to, you know, level up our social media presences or whatever. And she presented an idea to me like, oh, you should basically like vlog more and show more of my family life and everything. I am 100% into doing that if you guys are into seeing that. So if you want to see more behind the scenes or more personal content, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd be happy to deliver. But yeah, that's just an idea. I mean, I'm probably try out a couple of them because I feel like I've given you guys vlogs before and they went okay, but just like not a ton of views on there, so that's why I stopped doing it. But regardless, let me know in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease because I do want to do a cut crease with this look, and we are going to use these two shimmers as our lid shade. So let me cut the crease and we'll be right back. All right guys, so now that the crease is cut, let's go back into Ken's palette. Let's turn up the Ken-ergy, as it says. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe X NYX FF1 brush. We're probably gonna use this for both lid shades. Let's go ahead. I stalled myself. Wait a second, girl. Wait a second. Let's go ahead and go into this champagne looking shade first, where it's really gold. Whatever color this is, let's just go into this first. I'm just gonna start in the middle because I'm not really sure. I think that I want to do this as a lid shade and then have the lighter purple as our inner corner highlight. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. We're committed. We're all in now. That's what we're doing. We're gonna put this all over the lid and put the lavender shade as our inner corner highlight. And of course the shimmer is shimmering. The shimmer is shimmering. It's giving, it's definitely doing what it should be doing. So now we're gonna use this Fortnite Makeup Revolution. It's a flat shadow brush and we're gonna go into this lavender shade right here. Put that on for the inner corner highlight. And I know what you guys are thinking, what about the blue? We're gonna use it. We're gonna use it, girl. Just relax, we're getting there. We will get there. So let's go ahead and put that. And oh la la, this shade is absolutely gorgeous. It's giving mermaid. That is actually really pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm going back with the Morphe brush with a little bit of gold on there to blend that back out. Because again, I still want this to be an all over lid shade with just a pop of different color in the inner corner. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Okay, so whenever I went back to pick up Ken's palette, because I told you the Ulta that I went to is the one right by my house. That one was pretty much sold out of all the Barbie stuff except the Ken palette. So I went to a different Ulta and I tried to get the rest of the stuff. I did pick up the Ken palette, which I'm so glad I went that day. That was the only thing left of the collection, except they did have two of these, like a 2-pack, but one was pink and one was blue. I could have sworn I had a blue. I literally just realized just now that I don't, which is why I didn't get it. And now I'm like, bummer, I should have gotten it because that would have looked really cute with this look, but we can just use the white one again. I swear I had a blue one. Girl, we had a blue one. I know we did. Well, that really does suck because I know that I have one. But we're going to save the blue for the under eye. That's why I was thinking, okay, we're going to use the blue, but under eye with this little pencil thing in the waterline, but it's okay. It's all good. We'll just go ahead and do this. I am going to add my liner, my black liner on top first, and then we'll come back with this. I am going to do it off camera this time for time's sake, and yeah, we'll be back in just a sec.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party.
I could never dance. No, I kind of just got really lame over time. And we're back. Let's go ahead and add this white liner to our under eye. Let's be very, very careful. This makes my eyes water. Okay, eyes have stopped watering now. They just needed a second. They just need to catch up. We're gonna go back into this shade right here. Well, we're gonna use this shade. We have not used it yet. So we're gonna use this. And again, this is like a flat, like angled brush. This is like one that you would use for eyebrows, I guess, but I like to use it for under eye stuff. And just add a little some underneath the eye. You guys, I'm going to go get my Botox today. I'm so excited. So excited. Why am I getting Botox, you ask? I don't know. It just feels like something I should be doing. So yeah, I'm gonna get it like here because I feel like I'm way too animated with my eyebrows. Like I'd be like, yeah, and I need that to stop moving before it droops on down. Droops on down to Wrinkle Town. So yeah, that's why I'm getting it, to be honest with you. I just preventative measures. So because Ken's palette is just this cute little thing, it's very clear. We're gonna use another color to like base it first. I do have a little bit of like lip color on right now. So I think we're just gonna use Barbie's thing again. Barbie's lip gloss. So let's just use the butter gloss. already had that brown that brown Makeup Revolution one on, so why not? And now let's go ahead and go into Ken's. Just add a total gloss. Now this is that Makeup Revolution brown that we used in the last video. We're just gonna use this again for the lips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my lashes off camera, and we will come back and I will share my final thoughts. All right guys, so I did go ahead and add my lashes, add a little bit of mascara, and of course you see I changed my shirt because it's Barbie, we have to wear pink. So overall, I would have to say that Ken's palette, again, a definite hit. This was a very cute palette. Pigment was there, blendability was there. Chef's kiss, NYX always hits it nail on the head every single time. Out of the two, I would have to say I think that Ken's palette might actually, I might like it better because it has more shades, but the Barbie palette was very cute, and it also comes with, I mean, they say that these are a lot of face shades, but we did use them last time, and I did use the blush again today and the highlighter from this palette, and yeah, I really like the way it looks. So yeah, I would have to say both of them, you need both of them. And I mean, they're only $12 each, plus you get little lip glosses, and the packaging is cute. You need them. So if they're sold out on your Ulta, I would highly recommend you ordering them, because you really can't go wrong with having either of these, but especially not having Barbie, because this one has a lot of neutral shades in it too. And I mean, girl, you can always use a pink look. You can always use one. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you didn't watch the first video, make sure that you go back and watch it. I will put a card up here somewhere or in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you will see my face in the next video.